Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity Hustle TV. Today I'll be showing you a good app. I would love you to learn with good strategy. I would love you to take merit of and start making money for yourself. Quickly go to a site named what Giphy.com. Giphy.com. What is Giphy? Giphy is a platform that allows you to download free GIF, a moving app. Those image like video file. That's what Giphy means. So you can see all these simple image like videos. So that's what we'll be downloading. So let's copy this link. We'll be copying the link and making use of the link to promote a social media, because most of these types of file they get thousands of views. So we're promoting it through our Facebook group. But before that, go to a site named Inclincher. Let me show you the Facebook group first. So I'm now on my Facebook groups. I'm the owner of this Badel Train. Now let's click on it. We'll be creating a post with this group. You can see. Now let's go back to our Facebook. Let's go back to our home page and start creating our own post first. I've clicked on the home page. Now let's scroll down. What we comment, we create our post. Let's paste the link we copy from our GIF. This is the link. You can see this is the GIF image. This is the GIF file. Then underneath we will be inputting our whatever post we intend adding to the GIF. But let's go to Inclincher, where we get our affiliate link, the product we'll be promoting. Inclincher.com. What is an Inclincher? Is a platform, on this platform they help you manage your social media activity, but we won't be needing anything except the affiliate program. Then let's scroll down. Then we apply for the affiliate program of this platform. Then we'll be making use of that GIF file we downloaded. Then with the affiliate link together to stimulate people interest on our product, on the Inclincher website. Now that's just all for the day. That is the strategy. You can see the GIF file. You can see how it's moving. So that's it. Try to apply your strategy and start seeing results for yourself. Please kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you will be the first to be notified time I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks.